Hey everyone, I am Mommy Rain, a solo parent of 3 boys whose dad grew a pair of wings way back 2019, and this is my solo parenting journey. So may mga nagtatanong kung bakit ko daw nilipat ng school si Aiki. So for context, Aiki just completed grade 10 last school year. He was enrolled under SPA or Special Program in the Arts with Visual Arts as his specialization. Bali grade 8 na siya nag-start with SPA because he was still in LaSalle when he was in grade 7. Ako personally, I really thought he would proceed to Arts and Design in senior high kasi alam ko kung gaano niya gusto yung ginagawa niya. Kaya medyo nagulat ako nung sinabi niya hindi siya mag-Arts and Design sa senior high. Tinanong ko kung bakit. Ang sabi niya is yung arts daw is parang hobby lang talaga for him and he doesn't want to pursue it as a career in the future. So I asked him, ano ba talaga ang gusto mo pag-college? Ang sabi niya, gusto daw niyang maging game developer. Tapos ang sabi ko pa, ay hindi mo pala ipupurso yung arts, sayang naman yung skills mo. Pero ang sabi niya, I know ma'am, I can still use my skills in game developing. Parang ganon. Kaya yun na nga at naghanap na kami ng option kung saan siya pwedeng mag-enroll for senior high. And so we decided to enroll him here at ICI, which stands for Iligan Computer Institute. This is a private school but since nag-avail kami ng senior high school voucher program ng government, wala nang tuition na babayaran, miscellaneous na lang. Parang nasa 20k yata yung masisave, tas libre pa yung PE uniforms at uniforms mismo. So yun. So as you can see here, sinamahan ko siyang mag-enroll that day. And in fairness naman, ang smooth lang nung enrollment nila. Tas parang wala akong binayaran kahit na piso if I remember it right. Kasi yung miscellaneous kasi babayaran mo lang siya during exams. Tapos ayan, he was doing his signature for the ID. And then picture-picture na for the ID. Actually, it turns out to be a good decision na ilipat siya ng school. Kasi yung new school niya is nasa city proper na mismo. Eh yung school ni Kael, parang andun din banda. Not in the city proper mismo, but medyo malapit dun. It's like along the way. So, Aiki can just drop him off or pick him up pagkatapos ng klase ni Aiki. So, parang nagiging convenient siya in a way. Last year kasi magkakatabi lang yung schools nila. Bale yung elementary school kung saan na grade 6 si Kael is katabi lang din nung high school kung saan naman nag-aaral si Isaiah at Aiki. So this year is the first time ever na magkahiwa-hiwalay sila ng school silang tatlo. By the way, just to make things clear, hindi naman game developing yung kinuha niya dito. They don't offer that here. He was taking IT under the TVL strands or Technical Vocational Livelihood strands. So ayun lang, thank you for watching and see you on our next vlog. Bye-bye!